Congratulations, you've reached the final lesson of your meal planning mastery course. In this wrap-up, we'll review what you've learned, celebrate your progress, and talk about your next steps for long-term success. You've built more than just meal plans. You've built a sustainable lifestyle. Let's take a moment to look back. You started by understanding why meal planning changes everything. You learned how to set nutrition goals, calculate your calorie and macro needs, and use your mindset to stay consistent. From there, you discovered the building blocks, mastering macronutrients, micronutrients, and hydration, along with key habits like time management and organization. You learned to design meal plans that fit your schedule, preferences, and goals, whether that's weight loss, muscle gain, or simply eating healthier. You've built skills that apply to every area of your life: batching, shopping smart, labeling and storing meals safely, and turning leftovers into new dishes. You also explored specialized plans, from family and kids nutrition to vegan, keto, and allergy-friendly approaches. You learned how to adapt your plan for travel, holidays, and busy weeks so you can stay balanced without feeling restricted. You've even gone beyond the basics, diving into advanced nutrition hacks like carb cycling, intermittent fasting, gut health, and nutrient timing. Every lesson has built your confidence and flexibility, the two keys to lasting success. So what's next? Step 1. Personalize your system. Take the templates, grocery lists, and methods you've learned and tailor them to your unique lifestyle. Remember, your plan should serve you, not the other way around. Step 2. Keep refining. Your needs will change over time, and that's okay. Use the lessons on tracking progress and adjusting your plan to stay aligned with your goals. Step 3. Continue learning. Nutrition and meal planning evolve, so stay curious. Try new recipes, explore different cuisines, and experiment with what makes you feel your best. Step 4. Focus on sustainability. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Even when life gets busy, you now have the tools to stay grounded and make smart, balanced choices. Step 5. Inspire others. Share your success with family, friends, or your online community. You never know who might be inspired to start their own healthy journey because of you. Finally, Step 6. Celebrate this milestone. You've built knowledge, habits, and confidence that will support you for life. Whether you're cooking for your family, or for clients, you now have a system that empowers you to take control of your nutrition and well-being. Here's your quick recap. You've learned how to plan, prep, adjust, and sustain a meal plan that fits your lifestyle. You're now equipped to handle any goal, occasion, or challenge with ease. Your next step is simple. Keep going. Use what you've learned to create your best, healthiest version of yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And remember, meal planning isn't about rules, it's about freedom. Freedom from stress, confusion, and inconsistency. You've got this.